Forward letter mark logo creation with a grid system. Using grid system in CorelDRAW. So this how it's done. You simply get your sketch. After getting your sketch, then you use your freehand tool, which is F5 in CorelDRAW. You need to check to create the grid around it. So for example here, this is a project someone has worked on earlier. So it's a project I'm just using it for practice. So red flag, that's what it means. It's R and F he used as the initial of the logo. Then hold down, hold shift down to draw this. Click here, so just click, then hold shift down to your destination. Click on this. Hold down shift. Click on this. Hold down shift. This one you can shift it a little bit. So you still use the 2, hold on shift, drag it and drop it here, to shift, drag and drop it to shift, drag and drop it to shift. I forgot to issue. Firstly, reduce the opacity using transparency to change the transparency, make it transparency. Then you right click the object and lock it. So this how it's done. So let's zoom it down to see what we're doing. You click and drag and drop it. You can zoom down to see what you're doing. Go control. Go control this. Click on the fan tool. Hold down shift. And let's see. It's 45 degrees. You can change it. Let's see if it's 45 degrees. Then you turn it. and zoom it down to get it. Click here to shape 2. F4. Zoom it down to check. You can drag it here. So many the cycles, you can zoom down to check if it is okay. Many the cycles, so for the cycles, so draw a cycle around each of them. For this, draw control to make it a perfect cycle. Adjust it and drag from here. You make sure it's touching the edges. And hold down. You can use the contour tool to use it. Let's click, break. Oh. Use it. You can reduce it a little bit. Reduce it a little bit, then move it up. So you draw, you can still draw this, copy, drop it here. I think it's the same thing. So you can move it down. And this way it works. So for this, we'll drag this and make it, draw a box cycle. Yeah. Can right click and drop it and increase this, increase the cycle. Can drag this one up. So you can reduce this to shift. Let me use the shift contour tool. So this is how it works. That is all for the grid. What we're doing now is to duplicate and unlock this, then copy it and drop here. we'll be using this one as our reference to check what we've done. Let me remove this, remove the transparency. So I can, let's see, let me remove this too. So let me work on this. I'll be using now, we'll be using the segment. Okay, what we're using now, let's use this. Let's use this too. Segment delete two. So let me remove this, undo. So what we're doing now is to highlight this along with those lines we use as grid. So keep this one here with right click, drop it with right click. So let me remove this one, delete this one. So I'll be using this tool. I kept this one as backup. I'll be using this segment delete to remove to under the crop tool. This visual segment remove tool. So we'll be removing this one. We'll be removing this one. Removing this too. And let me zoom down to see what I'm doing very well. I'll be removing this two line. Okay, see it. Remove this one too. Remove this one too. Make sure that the line is not touching. I'll move this line. I can move this line. So I'll be removing this to let me remove this line. And this. This. And this. Okay, I forgot to break them apart. So I'll be removing this. This. Remove this. This. Okay. Remove this. This. Control Z. So I'll be moving this. this. So I'm left with this place. I think I'm good to go here. The next thing here, I'll be moving this to down. I'll be moving this to this. All these ones are negligible. I'll be moving this. All this will not affect me. I can leave them. So, okay. I'll be moving with this. So I'm moving this. I'm moving this to this. So I'll be moving this. I think I'm good to go. So what we're doing now, here, pick the smart fit tool. Click on this, and so I've gotten this. So click on this place. So remaining this place. So let me move this place. So click on this smart fit tool. Click on this path. I've gotten this. I've got to move this also. This is blocking the path. So click on the smart fit tool now. Click on this. I've gotten this. So some things that is blocking the path. Yeah. 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 Click on the smart fit tool now. So I've gotten that place. So remaining this. And this. I'll zoom down. So yeah, it is. Another thing is blocking. So move all this one, exit. So that the path will be smooth. So I think that is all. Click on this. You see that I've gotten the sketch. So we can now click on the color and pick the color they used. pick the color here. Pick the color used and this. Let me use the color eyedropper too. You drop it here. Click on it. Color used. So I think that's me. So here it is. We have gotten the color used. So this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. Drop it down. Can you see it? We have gotten the grid. This how it's done. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Meet in the next one. You're welcome.